Most people think lettuce is something you harvest once and then it's finished. But what if I told you that a single small hydroponic plant can keep producing fresh leaves again and again? I wanted to test exactly how many times you can harvest hydroponic lettuce at home, and the result honestly surprised me. I grew purple lettuce in a small tabletop hydroponic system. Instead of pulling out the whole plant, I only picked the outer leaves, using what's called the cut and come again method. One of our FreeBonde clients, a Japanese restaurant here in Sweden, actually uses the same little machine to serve lettuce directly from the counter to the table. Zero distance, no packaging, and customers get the freshest salad possible. It's hard to imagine that such a compact device can produce so much food. And why purple lettuce? Well, it's not just about the beautiful colors. This variety is packed with anthocyanins and other antioxidants. It's more nutrient-dense than standard green lettuce. And since it takes the same time and cost to grow, why not choose a variety that gives you higher nutritional returns for the same effort? So, how many harvests did I get? My first cut was small. After just 5 days, the plants gave me about 55 grams of leaves. But when I waited a little longer, 7 or 8 days, the harvests were much bigger, sometimes over 100 grams. In total, I managed 7 harvests from the same plants, each between 55 and 106 grams with an average of about 80 grams per cut. That adds up to more than half a kilo of lettuce from a single batch. Now let's talk about value. If you buy lettuce in supermarket in Sweden, a single head usually costs $2 to $3, or about $12 per kilo. And here's the real difference. Supermarket lettuce comes with soil, roots, packaging, and often loses freshness after just a couple of days. With hydroponics, there's no waste weight, no transport, no plastic, and no pesticides. You cut exactly what you need, exactly when you need it. It's always crisp, always fresh, and always safe. Honestly, that kind of quality is hard to put a price on. Of course, after the 7th harvest, things started to change. The plant grew tall and leggy. My grow lights were a bit too high, and it was also close to flowering. The leaves became tougher and bitter, and that was the natural end of the experiment. So what's the takeaway? With hydroponics, lettuce can be harvested many times if you only take the outer leaves. The sweet spot is every 7 to 8 days for the best yield. Both soil and hydroponics work, but hydroponics recovers faster. And realistically, you can expect 6 to 7 good harvests before the plant bolts. We are FreeBonde. Our mission is to give people food freedom, health freedom, and a more sustainable way to grow. Whether it's in a restaurant or your own kitchen, we want to show how even the smallest machines can produce big results. If you enjoyed this experiment, make sure to like and subscribe. I'm also running a new test, hydroponic lettuce under sunlight compared to grow lights. That video is coming soon. Let's keep exploring together how far we can push indoor gardening.